I'm gonna try, man, because you need to get some sleep. You can't be out there in zombie land. Starting early is probably not a good idea tomorrow. Let me see if I can push back noontime, or what do you think? Okay.
Are you guys talking?
Well, right. Well, in just an hour from now. Hopefully. Isn't it? That's weird how stuff happens like that. It's wild, huh? Probably is. But you gotta take care of the details to eliminate things, to get to the root of the matter, and then you just make the system better anyway, because you need that anyway. So then by the time you get to the root and correct it, and they got the coldest air they ever felt, it's performing better than ever. You wash out the outdoor coil, it's never been washed out. That gives them like a major temperature drop on the split, so that's a good thing. People don't even know about it. I fixed their unit, I washed the coil, I could tell it's been like 10 years. And so they didn't know the unit could work that good. So I got the new motor in there, washing it down really good while it's firing up. That helps transfer the heat. It's blowing out fucking icicles. So by the time I go back inside, people are like, wow, it's really working good. Because it's water cooled right then too, you know?
So cute.
So I do that on repairs, because I wanted to work better. You know, I wanted to work right, but I also wanted to work better. They're like, wow, it's good. It's good value, you know? It's good job, I got a better unit. You know? It's got improved on. That's when motors lasted. We need to have to figure out where we get the badass capacitors. We need to stock up on that. We need retrofit TXVs too. We need that train fitting, because then we could even have a retrofit TXV assembly. Let's already sweat on the train adapter, or probably just take the train TXV and put our adapter fitting on the end of that. It's ready to go. Yeah, to have stuff like that on your truck, you know, like 2 through 3 ton valves, you know, 3 through 5 ton, whatever, with all the adapters and shit you need for everything, and then flow raters too, with all the adapters you need. Then you can handle any refrigeration problem on the spot, and if you can pinpoint it, it won't take that long. It's about diagnosing it, how long does it take you to figure it out. And you may have to fix several elements to bring it right. Especially when it's an ASAP job. But you got those people eating out of your hand now.